In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom to Google Calendar using the official add-on. This integration is a great way to streamline your workflow, allowing you to schedule and manage Zoom meetings directly from your Google Calendar with ease. So let's walk through this process together. First, open your web browser and head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is where you can find various add-ons that integrate seamlessly with Google applications. In the search bar, type in Zoom for Google Workspace or something similar. As you search, you'll notice a list of results populating. You're looking for the official Zoom integration, so ensure you select the correct one to proceed with a reliable service. When you've found the Zoom for Google Workspace add-on, click the Install or Get button. This action will begin the installation process. You'll be guided through a series of prompts to grant the necessary permissions for the add-on to function properly. It's crucial to read each step to understand what permissions you are giving. Typically, these will involve allowing the add-on to manage your events and integrate with your calendar data. Once the installation is complete, head over to Google Calendar. Here, you can either create a new calendar event or edit an existing one if you have something scheduled already. In the Event Details section, you're going to look for an option to add video conferencing. This will usually be in a drop-down menu or as a Zoom Meeting button. Go ahead and select Zoom Meeting. You might be prompted to sign into your Zoom account and authorize the integration, especially if this is your first time using it. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to link your Zoom account with Google Calendar, enabling them to work together seamlessly. Now, fill in the rest of your meeting details. This includes your meeting title, the date and time, invited guests, and any additional notes or reminders you want to include. When you're satisfied with your event details, click Save. Google Calendar will now automatically embed the Zoom meeting join link directly into your calendar event, making it easily accessible for both you and your invitees. As an optional step, if you find yourself using Zoom more frequently than Google Meet for your video calls, you might consider adjusting your admin settings to make Zoom your default video conferencing provider for all future events. This can save you time in the long run and ensure consistency across your meetings. And there you have it. That's how you integrate Zoom into your Google Calendar. This process enhances your scheduling capabilities and makes staying organized a breeze. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your digital meetings even more efficient.